This video tutorial will walk you through copying your Canvas course for additional sections or a new term. Currently, course links can only be copied for the same instructor in Vantage. If multiple sections are being taught by different instructors, each instructor will need to create their own Vantage link. So you're going to follow your school's normal process to make a copy of your Canvas course, including the Vantage links, and you do that by going to import existing course in your empty shell. So we're going to click here. And then you can select where it says content type. We're going to do copy a Canvas course, and then we're going to select our course. And then we're going to select, all contents, or you can actually select specific content if there's something that you don't want to copy. And then we're going to click import. Once it's run, it's going to say complete. And if I go to my home page, I now have the contents of my other course in here, along with all of my links and everything. So before I click on a link, I always recommend that you go to vantage.sagepub.com and every semester create a new course. And this way that you can revisit your global settings and change anything that you want to change. And you do that by just clicking create course. So we're going to also come in here and click on one of the Vantage links. I'm going to go to just the video activity. And now I'm going to click the load video activity. And now it's going to ask me, create a new Vantage course to pair with your LMS. But I'm going in and created a new course. So I'm going to click pair your LMS course to an existing Vantage course. And now I am going to click on, I'm going to select my book that I am pairing to this current shell for my Spring 2022 course. And so here we go. We're now linked to our new course. So I'm going to go back to my Canvas course and go back to my modules. And now I'm going to go and click on another link just to verify. I have other links down here. I'm going to go to chapter 1. And here's my chapter 1 opening page. So now if you have multiple sections, you can always go into your Vantage course. And you want to, there's two ways to copy. After you put all your dates in and you have multiple sections, there's two ways to make a copy. You can click the little cog above the course that you want to copy, and click here and then go click on copy. Or you can go to create a course and then click copy an existing course. That's how quick and easy it is to copy your Canvas course from one semester to another, links and all. Thank you for joining us and have a great day.